If this is your first time here at Anderson Lane, please like and subscribe down below so you don't miss any of our future content. Welcome to Anderson Lane. Hey guys, how's it going? I am still sick, but feeling better, and this came today. So I really wanted to unbox it, so we're gonna do a vlog. This is the newbie box. I'll put a link down below, but this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to try this out. It's a free newbie box. You do have to pay for shipping. It's like $6. So let's see what's inside. Okay, this is the box. Pretty cute. Let's open it up. This came super quick. Look at that cute little card that just says thank you, that kind of stuff. And then this beautiful seal pop. Let's open it up. See, I waited for you guys. I didn't break the seal. Alright, we've got a newbie guide. Don't know what all this has. Oh, it's got coupons in it. That's nice. But talks about the baby, birth facts, lots of coupons, and different stuff, so that's fun. We have a Purell surface cleaner, hand sanitizer. Love that. We've got some woman products, much needed after baby gets here. Saline solution, that's good to just keep in your backpack or your diaper bag, good to keep in your diaper bag if you need to use it really quick. A bottle, a Mam bottle. This bottle, these are the ones, yeah. And it has a binky with it too. So, tells you all about it. Mam bottle. Cuties Complete Care. Diapers size 1. It comes with 5 diapers, that's quite a few. Let's see what they look like. And then your diapers. So diapers, some water wipes, these are always good. And the last 2 things, being of aquifer, just a little one to keep in your, let's see if we can get it, yeah, just to keep in your diaper bag, and some nursing pads. That was all that was in the new box, but this is pretty cute. I'm excited about this and the coupons, and I love getting these because these are just easy to throw in your diaper bag or in your purse or whatever in your car, so you have them if you need them. So, thanks for unwrapping that with us. Again, I will link it down in the description below where you can go to sign up to get your free newbie box. And thanks for stopping by. Let us know if you have any other freebies that you want us to look at. Thanks for stopping by Anderson Lane. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.